angry at Nature Cat for grounding me after I got him wet when I got him stuck by wasps after I hit the wasp nest. What am I going to do to get revenge on him? I have an idea. I will push him into the pond. He.
Water? Why did it have to be water?
Yes. I pushed Nature Cat into the pond. 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 Now that he's wet, I'll celebrate.
Ronald, how dare you push me into the pond? You know I hate being wet. That's it. You are grounded for 327,098,194 decades. Go upstairs to your room right now.